Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a haul for you guys, and it is my May Stylevana haul. I have been doing these Stylevana hauls for quite a while now. You'll know if you've been watching my channel for some times. If you're unfamiliar with Stylevana, they are an online skincare, makeup, hair, body, beauty product website that sell a bunch of Asian skincare products. Stylevana have very kindly gifted me a box for the month of May to share with you guys and let you know my thoughts on. I haven't actually got a chance to try these yet because I literally just got them yesterday. So I'm just doing like a unboxing really. Before we get into it, I do have a discount with Stylevana as well. I'll leave it here and I'll also leave it in the down bar for you guys, and it gets you a little bit of money off of your purchase. All the information will be down below, as well as the link to the website and all the links to the products I am showing you guys in this video. So let's get into it. So the first product I have is a toner, and it's this one here from Benton. This is the Benton BHA Skin Toner. Aloe BHA Skin Toner is tested under dermatological control. This toner contains aloe barbadensis, I'm not too sure how you say that, leaf water, aloe, that same word, leaf extract, and aloe leaf juice. BHA 0.5%, snail secretion filtrate, hyaluronic acid and beta-glucan are used with natural preservatives. This pH balanced toner is designed for daily use. Great, because I am actually in the hunt for like a new daily toner. I'm currently using one that is nearly finished, that's like an everyday one, but then I also have a couple of other ones that are more of an exfoliating toner, so this will be great just to use every day. I have actually seen this around quite a lot. This is what the packaging looks like here, but I've actually seen this around quite a lot and I hear really great things about it, and I feel like anything with snail in it is also really good, really hydrating, really anti-aging. So I'm excited to try this out. It looks a little bit thicker than some toners I've tried, but I do need something hydrating at the moment because my skin is so dry. So yeah, we have this one. My neighbor is out doing something in his garden. I don't think you can see it with the fence, otherwise that's really awkward. Anyway, the next item we have is this one here from Skin Food, and I am so excited to try this out. This is the Royal Honey Propolis Enriched Essence Moisture and Nutrition Propolis Extract 63%. I have been wanting to try this out for quite some time now. I really like Skin Food products. Not only do they look really cute, but their products in general I find are really good with my skin. So this is what it looks like here. How pretty is that? But yeah, this is a honey serum, which I'm very excited about. I'm always intrigued when there's honey in products. I think it's very brightening and also quite nourishing as well. So yeah, this is the Enriched Essence from Skin Food. And then next we have an eye cream. Now this one is from Haru Haru Wonder. It's the Black Rice Bacterial Eye Cream. I believe this came out this month. So this is brand new for Haru Haru Wonder. And this is what it looks like here. It has Black Rice Bacterial, retinol for reduced alternative appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and thicker collagen. I am super excited. The sun's just come out. Oh no. It's been cloudy all day and now the sun decides to come out as I'm filming. Anyway, yeah, this is what it looks like here. I'm very excited to try this as well. I haven't tried an eye cream with a retinol in it, so I'm super excited for this. So this is the brand new eye cream from Haru Haru Wonder. Next we have a moisturizer, and this is the Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream. So this is just a moisturizer. I actually haven't seen this or heard much about this. This is what the packaging looks like here. Yeah, I can't actually see that much about it. What does it say? I think this is kind of like a gel cream almost. Actually, let me just quickly open it. Quick look. This is the consistency of it here. That's what it looks like. It actually looks like quite a thick cream. It's like a general, oh, that feels really nice actually, really refreshing. smells like citrus. Has a very citrus scent. That smells really nice and has a really beautiful consistency actually. Yeah, nice and fresh. It's almost like a gel cream. Not quite a gel, but also not like a thick cream. A really nice consistency and super softening as well. I'm excited to give this one a go. Alright, I just had to go and pop my camera on charge because it ran out. But next we have this here, and this is the Fredea SPF 50 Green Grape Sebum Control Cooling Sun Gel. I like the sound of this. So it says it shields your skin from UV rays in your daily life by double blocking the UVA and UVB without leaving any white residue or stickiness. I love that because I can't stand when a sunscreen leaves you with a white cast. I struggle to find sunblocks that actually do that, so I'll be very interested to see if this is what the packaging looks like. Love this color. Light, moist, cooling sun gel refreshingly soothes irritated skin from the sun exposure. Yeah, this just sounds like a really nice lightweight SPF. Actually, I'm gonna open it now. I just want to try it on my hand. Oh, it smells delicious. I've tried a couple of Fredea products before, and they always smell really nice. So this is what it looks like here. It's super light, and yeah, it doesn't leave a white cast, which is amazing. I love that. But yeah, obviously I'll have a little bit more of a try out with this on my face and not just my hand, but that smells delicious. And then the last product we have is this one here from Isntree, and this is the Aloe Soothing Gel, Aloe Vera 50%. Aloe Vera keeps the skin moist. A moisture type of aloe soothing gel contains 50% of the aloe vera leaf juice, and it helps to soothe the skin and to calm flushed skin. I don't know if you can, this looks like a body one to me just because it's in a really big container. I usually like to use this type of product during summer. It's actually winter here in New Zealand, but I might actually just give it a go anyway because aloe vera is super hydrating and my skin is always really dry in winter, so we'll give this a little go too. But yeah, anyway, that is my Stylevana haul for the month of May. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products and what you thought about them. The ones I am super excited to try out is this one here, the Benton Aloe BHA Skin Toner. Heard great things about this. And also this one here from Skin Food. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna give this a go tonight and see how it goes. Same with this, I think I'll try both of them. And then also the new Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Buttrol Eye Cream. I actually forgot to say to you guys, I've actually tried I've tried the Haru Haru Wonder Toner and I absolutely love it. It's in the same sort of range as that, so I'm very excited to give this a go here as well. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Stylevana. I'll leave all the links down below, as well as my discount code and the links to all the products I've shown you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.